Click the Meet Decipher button. Fill the FCR. Add details. Click Submit. Click on the hyperlink. Select Mode of Depsyfering. Click the hyperlink for payment. It will redirect you to Razorpay payment gateway. Check your invoice. Click Pay with Razorpay. Add contact details and click Continue. Fill card details. Confirming your payment. Payment will be successful. You'll receive the acknowledgement. Payment slip and invoice will be sent to your registered email ID. Wondering what's next? Our team will contact you in no time and will schedule a session as per your availability. Take the session and be solved.